Seafood, lobster, and shrimp burger, y'all. Let's go. First, you want to de-shell your lobster and de-shell your shrimp. Then season them. Here's some seasons of my choice. Smoked paprika. Then I pour in just a tad bit of buttermilk. Heat your grease. Then while you're doing that, cut your veggies. After your buttermilk, you add your flour. Then you let it cook. While that's cooking, prepare your sides. I decided to do my avocado fries. After everything's done, you toast your bun. Sweet Hawaiian. Avocado, tomato, queso, and onion. Yes, sir.